Happy Teacher's Day nga po pala po, pati po sa mga iba pong substitute teachers ko po. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Malu.
Hello, Mama Lu. Happy Teacher's Day po. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng dedication, effort at pagmamahal na binibigay niyo sa amin. Hindi lang po kayo nagtuturo ng mga lessons, kundi inspirasyon din po kayo sa buhay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pasensya, guidance at pagiging isang pangalawang magulang namin. We're lucky to have you as our teachers. Stay awesome po and more power. Best regards, Nico.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Mama Lu. Salamat po sa tuturo sa amin ng mga leksyon at sa pagtuturo po sa amin kung paano maging independent at magalang na bata. Happy Teacher's Day po ulit!
Hi teacher, happy Teacher's Day. Salamat sa pagtuturo sa amin. Love you.
Hi, Mom. Thank you for always teaching us things in a way we can understand. We know we're not the best students, but we're thankful that you're always there for us. Again, Happy Teacher's Day po.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mama Lu. Thank you for teaching us a lot of new things, and I'm glad that you're my advisor. Thank you po.
Hi, Teacher Malu. Thank you for being a kind and loving teacher to us. Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Teacher Malu. Thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin ng Math at GMRC. Thank you din po sa pagtuturo sa Euclid na maging independent. At ikaw na po ang aming pangalawang ina sa paaralan. Happy Teacher's Day po ulit. Bye-bye!
Happy Teacher's Day, Mama Lu. Thank you for your daily sacrifice and passion to teach us. I hope you have a great Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. Again, Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mama Lu. Thank you for being loving and caring. Always take care.
Dear Mama Lu, thank you for your guidance, patience, and encouragement. You make learning a joy. Happy Teacher's Day!
Happy Teacher's Day, Mama Lu. Salamat po dahil palagi kayo nandyan kung nagkakasakit kami. At salamat rin po dahil na ang ikalawang magulang namin sa paaralan. Happy Teacher's Day, Mama Lu.
Hi, Mama Lu. Thank you for being a great and wonderful teacher to us. Happy Teacher's Day!
Happy Teacher's Day! I hope you have a wonderful day today. And I am also here to tell you that I am very grateful having you as a teacher this school year. You teach me something new every day, something new that I can use in my future. I am very thankful to have you. And again, Happy Teacher's Day!
Hello po, teacher. Happy Teacher's Day po. Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa pagturo at pagtsaga po araw-araw at yun lang po. Happy Teacher's Day. Bye-bye.
Teacher, I wish you a wonderful Teacher's Day filled with recognition you truly deserve. Thank you.
Hi, Mama Lu. Thank you for being our teacher and you're the best. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day, Mama Lu. Thank you so much for teaching us and taking care of us. Also, for being loving and kind. We love you. Bye-bye.
Teacher's Day, Mama Lu. Thank you for being a wonderful teacher to us. Thank you for all the lessons that you teach us. Happy Teacher's Day, Mama Lu. We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Malu. Salamat po sa pagagay niyo po sa amin at pagtuturo sa good moral. We love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Malu.
Hello, Mama Lu. Thank you for making learning fun and thank you for teaching us. Happy Teacher's Day. We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mama Lu. Salamat po sa pagiging pangalawang magulang namin sa loob ng paaralan. At salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin at pag-aalaga sa amin. Salamat po.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mama Lu.
Happy Teacher's Day.
Thank you for your dedication and hard work in shaping our future. Your guidance and wisdom had made a lasting impact on my life. Your patience and kindness inspire us every day. For being a beacon of knowledge and inspiration. Happy Teacher's Day, Mama Lu.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Malu. Salamat sa pagtuturo sa amin ng math at GMRC. Marami akong natututunan sa lahat ng lessons. Happy Teacher's Day po ulit. Thank you po.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mama Lu. Salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin araw-araw. God bless you po.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mama Lu, and all the teachers. Thank you for giving us this kind of knowledge and vigor. I thank you for everything. That's
Happy Teacher's Day, Mama Lu. Thank you so much for teaching us GMRC to be a great student and mathematics to help my grades up in Verdict Math and my math studies. Thank you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mama Lu. Thank you for everything.
To my advisor and all my teachers, I just want to say thank you for teaching us. Thank you for being patient and being second mother to us. Sorry po if minsan pasaway kami at kahit laging may open forums, you don't get tired telling us and teaching us a lesson. We are very lucky to have you as our advisor again. Thank you very much. You will stay in our minds and hearts. You will be our advisor. We love you.
Teacher's Day, Mama Lu. Thank you for teaching us. We all love you.